This video will walk you through how to measure a room for wood, laminate flooring, and luxury vinyl tiles. But don't worry, the process is simple. Wood flooring along with laminate and luxury vinyl tiles are sold in packs. Getting started is easy. All you need is paper, A4 works fine, pen or pencil, tape measure, and a calculator. For most people, this will just mean their smartphone. Roughly sketch the shape of the room you're measuring. Make sure you include any doorways, as you'll need to take your measurements from halfway into the door frame. Use your tape measure to take 2 measurements, in meters, on both the length and width of the room. For rooms that aren't a simple square, for example ones that have bay windows or alcoves, simply take measurements of the longest and widest parts. Note down your measurements on your room drawing. Times both your measurements together to find your area in meters squared. To allow for wastage, add 10%. Top tip: to quickly add the recommended 10% wastage, simply times the measurement by 1.1. For this room, you'll be left with 24.75 meters squared. To work out how many packs you need, divide your room size by your chosen flooring's pack size. Round this up to the nearest full number and you have your required quantity. If you're still unsure or would prefer to speak to a professional, Flooring Superstore is on hand to help. Get in touch via the flooringsuperstore.com contact page to speak to the professionals. Thanks for watching.